Dreaming of building wealth and achieving financial freedom? Today, we're here to equip you with the knowledge to avoid 5 big investing mistakes that could be holding you back. 1. Expecting too much or using someone else's expectations. Investing for the long haul is all about building a diverse mix of investments that can handle different market situations. This way, you can aim for the right balance of risk and reward. However, even with the perfect portfolio, nobody has a crystal ball. The market can be unpredictable. That's why it's important to set realistic expectations. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to what kind of returns to expect. It all depends on you, your goals, and what kind of investments you already have. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 2. Not having clear investment goals. Ever heard the saying, if you don't know where you're going, you'll end up somewhere else? That applies perfectly to investing. Your investment strategy, portfolio design, and even the specific investments you choose should all be geared towards your long-term goals. Unfortunately, many investors get caught up in the latest trends or chase quick returns, neglecting to build a portfolio that actually helps them achieve their financial dreams. 3. Failing to diversify enough. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The key to building a portfolio that weathers market ups and downs is diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes helps manage risk. While some investors chase high returns by focusing on a single stock or sector, this risky gamble can backfire if the market goes south. But be careful. Over-diversification can also be a pitfall. The sweet spot lies in finding the right balance. Need help? Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. They can tailor a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. 4. Focusing on the wrong kind of performance. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While short-term market fluctuations might be tempting to obsess over, getting caught up in the daily noise can be a recipe for disaster. It can make you doubt your plan and lead to impulsive decisions that hurt your long-term goals. The key is to focus on the big picture. Think about the factors that drive long-term growth, not the next news headline. If you find yourself getting stressed about short-term movements, take a step back and refocus on your long-term strategy. Remember, you're in this for the long haul. 5. Buying high and selling low. We've all heard the saying, buy low, sell high, right? So why do so many investors seem to do the exact opposite? The truth is, emotions often cloud our judgment. Fear of missing out can lead us to buy into the hottest investments when they're already expensive, hoping to ride a quick wave of gains. But remember, investing is a long game. Chasing short-term trends and fads rarely leads to lasting success. It's better to stick to your strategy and focus on achieving your long-term goals. By the time something becomes super popular, it might be too late to jump in and expect a big payoff. That's it for our dive into the 5 investing mistakes that could be holding you back. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. By avoiding these pitfalls, setting clear goals, and creating a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance, you can take control of your financial future and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.